Hello guys, today we're going to be watching this Starman video because why not? I've seen other people do it and they seem pretty good, so I'll do it. Kid pulls fire alarm to skip test. He lives to regret it. I wonder how.
Check out what I bought for our trip to Legoland this week.
Yo, that's so cool! Wait, how'd you even convince your mom to go? I thought you were grounded.
I just told her I wouldn't fail any test this month. But what
Yeah,
she doesn't
that's
know
Mikey.
is I don't have
Doesn't
any
have a good
tests.
track record, so.
I am such a genius.
Ew.
At least to wash your hand first.
What? You scared of G?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Dude, watch out! You almost pulled the fire alarm.
Morning, boys.
Hey. Morning. What you got there, Mr. Wilson?
What, you mean this?
Uh-oh.
This is a surprise.
That's not good.
That doesn't sound good.
Not at all. You gotta be kidding me. He's gonna give us a pop quiz.
Yeah, probably.
I gotta find some way to get out of it.
Come on, the
I
video
didn't
said
know
it was
like Legoland was in
easy.
Houston.
Yeah, didn't you do it?
I missed out on my huge Minecraft tournament? No way.
Minecraft.
I gotta get out of this test somehow.
Here we go again.
I can pretend I'm sick.
You already did that like 5 times and it never works.
True.
Oh, really? Wow. I'm just
Maybe I
kidding,
could pretend like I
watched
broke my leg
videos.
by slipping in this hallway. Look at you.
Well, it's
pretty
pretty hard to pretend that you
obvious, man.
broke a bone? Jay, when you broke your arm, was it all hunky-dory?
Yeah, dude. That won't work. Besides, they're installing cameras now, so it'll be
I hope I
obvious
don't get
you're
an
faking
ad in the middle of this. That's just bad luck for my recording.
Hey, good morning.
So when do you think you'll have it working?
I'm having a problem with the server. They're not connecting. Hopefully by tomorrow.
Great. Thank you so much.
Today's my lucky day.
I just took
Mikey,
like
we have to
half
tell
a
you
bottle
every
of
single
water.
time. Running away from problems just makes them worse.
Aw, the rainbow
Please, Eric.
disappeared.
I've been
Okay,
running away
let's
from our problems
continue.
since first grade. Look where it's gotten me.
I doubt that.
Where?
Yeah, you've been suspended at least 5 times. You've been
Nice.
grounded every single summer.
Even
and
nicer.
what's your GPA again?
I don't want to talk
Probably a
about that.
1.0.
But I'm still the coolest kid in school. Yeah, right. Alright, look. I'm running out of time, alright?
Come on, Mikey.
I wish I could show my
Face it.
face.
There's nothing you can do at this point.
I don't know what.
Don't underestimate me, alright?
Let's not underestimate him
I'll figure
because he
something out.
sucks. He's not good at
Okay,
Getting
do
away with
not
things.
turn these over just yet.
Don't worry about it.
Hey, Mikey, no snacks
I've
in
done
class.
these
Put
kind
that
of
away,
things
please.
before.
Hey, you're supposed to use your cracker, not your finger. All right, everybody, what I have for you here is going to just have to wait 1 second. Keep them down, please. I'll be right with you.
Did you hear
I'm
what
back.
happened at Chesterfield High?
What happened to Chesterfield?
Some punk pulled the fire alarm. They had to evacuate the whole school.
I hope they got the guy
Nice.
that did it.
Last I heard, they hadn't figured out who it was.
This gives Mikey an idea.
Got what? I'm gonna put the fire alarm.
Yep,
That's a
just say
terrible
that out
idea.
loud.
You're gonna
That's
get
a
caught on
very
camera.
good idea.
He said the camera won't be working till tomorrow.
Who knows?
Do you think that's going a little too far, Mikey? What if they test for fingerprints? Then I'll pull it with my shirt. That way there's no fingerprints.
I'm pretty
Ew.
sure, Mikey, that pulling a fire alarm is an actual crime.
I
There
think
could
it
be
is.
very serious consequences. of
That's
that.
if I got caught.
Ew, look at that
Which
shirt.
will never happen. Do I have to explain it to you every single
Just cheese
time?
dip.
Your plans never work. Jinx!
No, I said it first. I said it first.
Of course they do. I'll prove it. Mr. Wilson, can I use the
So
bathroom real
wondering
quick,
what's
please?
going on back there.
Yeah.
Or they might be having a conversation.
Thank you.
You know, this is not the best time to do it either.
Excuse me.
I don't know what kind of school they're in, whether they're in elementary, middle, or high school. Well, he's probably definitely not in high school. And from his side, it looks like he's in elementary school.
Hey, young man, you need help with something?
Nope, just go into the bathroom.
Well, you're going in the wrong
Not
direction.
suspicious.
Bathroom is that way.
Oh, yes, I know. I'm just getting something from my locker.
Okay, well, when you do
I
go,
didn't see
be
a
very
locker
careful of the
over
wet
there.
floor, okay?
Yes, sir.
One of the toilets overflowed.
Yeah. Oh, there are lockers. There's only like 4 though. You gotta at least open the locker and then oh, here comes that. But you gotta at least open the locker and then use
you.
it.
Me? Yeah, you. Don't you?
I'm back from the ad. Okay, let's keep watching. I should get YouTube Premium. Now that costs money. Which is what I don't have because I'm like 11.
Okay, guys.
Let's go. Everybody just remain calm. Remember what we practiced during the fire drill, okay?
If we heard this, then we would all be screaming, just running out the door. You gotta walk. Because that's
All the other students and teachers evacuated on the west side.
regulation.
Hopefully we'll get an update soon.
What's up, kids?
Like, why do we
Aren't you
have
glad
to
I got us
follow
out of that
these
pop quiz?
precautions?
Can't believe you actually
We
did
just
that.
run out the door
Oh,
and
and
then
to add on,
just...
I also didn't get caught.
I don't know.
Woo! Yeah, not yet.
No
We'll
walking
see about
line.
that.
That's stupid.
Mikey, there you are. I was just inside
But
looking
you guys
for
didn't
you.
want
How
anybody
long
to
have you
get
been out here?
quote-unquote hurt.
Well, I've been here since we evacuated.
Actually, if you're
You
running
didn't
into
notice?
everyone, then you might
No.
sample someone.
Anyway,
But still,
I just spoke with Principal Danvers. It sounds like we're going to be out here
What
for a
are they
little
gonna
while
do? Make
longer.
us go back inside?
Dang it, I was looking forward to that pop quiz.
Pop quiz?
Mr.
you
Wilson?
mean the,
Oh wait, so it's not a
Can I
pop
speak to you for a
quiz.
moment?
Yes, of course, Principal Danvers.
What do you think they're talking about? The better question is, what rides are we going on when we get to Legoland, baby? See, I was thinking about that earlier. There's more to life than just
How
skipping
much
tests
is
and
a
going to
Legoland?
amusement parks. No, there isn't.
Let's see.
Mikey, he's right.
Legoland.
You can't just expect to always get away without being caught. As my dad always says, running away from problems just makes them worse. Well, my dad says that the moon is made of cheese.
Wow,
What's your
that's
point?
sick.
His point is to stop pulling more pranks, or else you won't be able to come to Legoland with us.
Yeah. Stop.
Yeah, and your mom might
pulling
even
pranks,
take away your talent
Mikey.
again. You know
You
what?
should have learned that a long
Instead
time
of being grateful, you guys are making me feel bad for what I did.
That's
All right,
because
well,
you
we're
should.
just waiting for the fire department to finish their rounds and make sure that everybody's
Fire
safe.
department.
The fire department's here?
Yeah, they
We have-
respond to every
At
fire
our
alarm.
school.
Right.
At school, we
Well-
have fire departments like once a month.
This is Captain Stoll.
Ow.
He's going to be asking everybody some questions today.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Looks like it was a false alarm. It's not the first
Would
time
it be?
this has happened
Wouldn't
today,
a
so I
fire
need to
drill
gather
be
some
a
more
false
info.
alarm?
What were you and your class
I'm not
doing
sure.
right
I'm
before
not sure
the
if
alarm
fire
went off?
Someone just
Well, I had
pulled
just
the fire
handed everybody
alarm?
some paperwork. A teacher came in, told me about what happened at
Because
Chesterfield.
on the
and
first
then
month, the fire department actually came to my school.
that's about all I can remember.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Wilson.
Of course.
Anyway, Mikey's looking. a
Hey, you know
little
what? I actually
suspect.
did give Mikey the key to the bathroom.
Darn it, Mikey.
You did?
Yeah. Mikey.
Also, Mr. Wilson's
Did you
always
see
been his
anything?
teacher.
No, actually,
I'm
you
not
know,
sure if
I
that's Mr.
heard
Wilson, but it
someone
looks
running
like
down the
Mr.
hall
Wilson.
before the fire alarm went off, but that's all I remember.
All right. Well, Captain Stoll, could you show us what you found so far?
Of course,
Huh, what
follow
have
me.
you found?
You too, Mikey.
Me? Why?
Because you said you were the last one in the hall, right? So maybe you could provide some insight to us. Let's go.
The wind pushed down the fire alarm.
Okay, none of that. I'll be right back.
Not another act.
John.
You in position yet?
Back from the ad.
Any luck?
Yes.
So, yeah.
I actually was able to
Well,
get the
let's
camera
see.
started right when the fire alarm went off.
You were?
Yeah, I thought I was gonna need more time, but I
Mikey
figured it out.
looks a little nervous.
Here we go.
Don't be suspicious this time, Mikey.
It looks
Matt
like
looks
the
good,
camera
nice.
started right after everyone started walking away.
Darn it, Mikey.
I mean, phew. Luckily everyone's okay.
Mikey.
Think. What else was happening in the hallway when you were here?
The janitor
Let me
walked
retrace
by
my
and
steps. So,
questioned me.
I left Mr. Wilson's classroom.
You know, I'll
Then
just leave my
I
cursor
went
right
to the
here.
bathroom.
Everybody. Does anybody know what happened yet?
Not yet. Mikey is explaining what was happening. He went to the bathroom.
That's odd. I was in there fixing the toilet when the alarm went off.
Ew.
I didn't see
Shit's
you.
even more disgusting
Well,
now. Also,
that's
you know what? I'm not gonna
because
question his
I
face.
ran into the girls' room.
You did what?
Well, you see,
been in
George
the
told me
girls'
that
bathroom
the
before, like 5
the
times.
toilets were
One in
overflowing,
first
so
grade,
I
one in fifth grade.
decided to use the girls'
I
restroom.
went 5th grade
That's
on
true,
accident,
I did tell him.
subconsciously.
See?
Because I
But
moved school.
the key that you took was for the boys' bathroom.
Yes, I am.
I got the fingerprint, Kit. Now we can see who the suspect really is.
Wonderful. It's right here.
Thank you.
Mikey, you were saying?
What? What was
How
it?
does this thing work?
Mikey, if you had a key to the boys' restroom, how did you get into the girls' restroom?
Well, you see, there was a girl.
You see,
and she came out of the
You see, I
restroom, so
punched
I
down the
decided
door
to
like I was
sneak
an
inside.
FBI agent.
I'm sorry, that was wrong.
I don't know. That all sounds a little odd.
Mikey, if you are covering up for someone else, you, young man, are in
He's
big,
gonna be
big
in
trouble.
big trouble either way.
I'm telling you everything I know. I
the title
swear.
says he lives
Principal?
to regret it.
Yes.
We didn't find any prints, but we did notice something odd.
Was it
Can you
Jody
come over and
Sharp?
take a look?
Of course.
It looks like cheese dip.
Ew.
Cheese dip.
Mikey.
Mikey? You were eating cheese in my classroom.
Where'd my leg go?
No. You see, look, my hands are clean.
That's because you just rubbed it all over your shirt.
That explains why there isn't any prints. He used his shirt to pull the alarm.
Oh, Mikey. How could you do that? Especially after all that we've been through.
Please,
You've
just
been through a lot.
don't tell my mom. I didn't think all this was gonna happen. I just pulled it because I didn't want to do the pop quiz and just wanted to go to Legoland with my friends.
Pop quiz?
Wait, it was not
Yeah.
No, Mikey, no. I just wanted to play a game with you.
Bingo.
A game? Are
He
you
did
serious?
all
You mean I
this
did
for
all this for
bingo.
nothing?
Mikey,
Wow.
you're coming to my office right now.
What kind of
No,
bingo game is
please,
that?
I'm sorry.
Actually,
Also, is
we have
that
to stop you
barber
there,
shop
Principal.
over there?
Thank you, officer. Thank you. You don't know how much I appreciate that.
Mikey's actually gonna come with us.
What?
Pulling the fire alarm is a serious crime. You didn't know that?
A crime?
Yes, it is. I'm gonna take you downtown. Go.
No, please.
Oh, don't worry about it. It's gonna be all right.
No.
Just getting sent to jail.
Take me. Let me go. What's going on? What are you doing with Mikey?
Fred is under arrest for pulling the fire alarm.
It's nothing. Oh no, his mom's here.
Can't explain.
I was in the neighborhood and I heard that the alarm went
Mikey's
off.
gonna,
Man,
Mikey's
seems like your
gonna
son
go
is
to
the
the
one who pulled
adoption
it.
center
What?
after.
Mom, please don't take away
Yeah.
my tablet.
After
And don't
Tuesday.
ground me. I just want to go to Legoland with my friends.
That is what you're most worried about. You
Everybody in
should
the
be
background
worried about going
watching.
to juvie. I'll meet you at the station.
That's embarrassing.
What? No.
Come on, Tim.
Please, Mom, no.
Yeah, it's not embarrassing.
I'm not going.
But
Let me
not
go.
this bad.
Let me go. No. Jay, Derek, help.
They're not.
All I can say is, running from your problems
Ooh.
just makes them worse.
Bye
Just
bye.
printed off your exams. Booyah!
Oh guys, bye.
Are you okay?
Bye.
Feels like I can't breathe.
It might be